Oh, look at this, guys. A picture of my mom that was in the drawer of this little table right here. Look at that. Oh, I don't know where that was taken. I'm gonna guess it was on their honeymoon. I'm gonna guess maybe during their honeymoon, cause wow, that might have been on their honeymoon or vacation of sorts, and that's a beautiful picture of my mom. Yeah. Hello, everybody. Welcome to the Point Pleasant edition of Seagull Sunday. Recently, I started to eat a sandwich and I guess didn't finish it, so I'm donating the bread to those guys. Watch this. Oh, the bread is not going for. Oh, here comes one. Oh, let's see what greatness can. They're not going for it yet. I don't know why. What are they thinking? Maybe they're waiting for several pieces to be out there. Maybe they're waiting. Let's see. Let's step back. See what they do. Alright, let's step back. Maybe they're waiting for me to step back. There's the bread. There's the seagulls. The wind is not cooperating. And they're not, they're just not looking. Let's see. I don't believe this. They're not going for it. One more piece, guys. That's it. Now, let's see if they go for it. Hold on. If they don't get it, the birds will get it. Or the fish will get it. These seagulls are not paying attention. I am shocked. I'm shocked. Alright, now let's check up on the washer. Good. The washer's not going psychotic. Sometimes if you put too much in there, it goes crazy. But it hasn't gone crazy yet. Okay, good. It is charged. I tell you, this thing woke me up at like very early this morning on a Sunday. Sunday, like it was start beeping at me like 7:30 in the morning because the battery was dead. I was like, oh man, I was hoping to sleep in today. Well, I just charged it up and I slept in till 11 today. But now it's time to keep get the show on the. Okay, the wash is done, but I'm gonna wait to put in the dryer till I get home for safety reasons. You all know about that, right? Don't go and leave the run the dryer when you're not home. Yeah, that's the in case some of you didn't know that, and. Sometimes we often need to be reminded. I need to be reminded of some things occasionally. And, yeah. So there's a safety tip for you. Only run the dryer when you're home. Don't go putting stuff in the dryer and leave it at the house. I mean, if you're taking out the garbage or something, that's one thing. But, don't leave the house for long periods of time when you go to run the dryer. All right. There's my safety tip of the day. You don't see trucks like that around much anymore, do you? Look at that one. What year would you say that truck was? I did a video. Oh, these are the vicious dogs. Like, I came over Friday and they were like, whoa, 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 whoa.
Yeah. Lucy.
So, guys, if you want to do harm to Deanna, there's no chance. She's got 2 vicious black labs. Yes.
Yes. That's how vicious she is.
Yeah, I closed the front gate. I don't know who left it open. Hey, bud. Hey, bud. Hey, he's a good boy. He's a good pup. Ooh, look at the happy tail, happy tail, happy tail. All right, I'm going to get a shot of you, though you're probably like, oh, geez, not another stinking camera, huh? Oh,
Sit down.
I think you want to use the facilities.
Good girl. Come on. Come here, Coco.
Hey, Cuckoo.
She's the barker.
Her Cuckoo. Well, they're protecting their mommy, right? How do you tell them apart?
They're different. She's smaller.
Okay. Look at the happy tail. Look at the happy tail.
She's thicker.
He's thicker. Oh yeah, you've got a big tail. You got the not so big tail. Yeah, but my tail's more beautiful, people. Oh, she's gonna tend to her needs. Oh,
Them in for a cookie.
No.
Hudson, you want a cookie? Come on. You have to come this way.
Hudson's like, leave me alone. I'm
Treat?
attending to my needs, Trish.
They just want treats.
Oh. Bye, guys.
You want a treat?
They say, yeah, Mommy.
You want a cookie?
Give us a big steak bone.
That's
Steak
it.
bone, Mommy.
Yes.
Oh, look at that. So beautiful.
Wait.
All right, guys. Mission accomplished. The bill is paid. And you got to meet her pups. And she was in her jammies, so, her jammy pants. You couldn't tell she was in pajamas, but she said she was, so I didn't aim the camera at her. So, yeah, she's getting over a little cold, so. All right, and I'll be back soon. I'm mentally planning my next move. All right. Look at that. He's just chilling. He's just saying, I'm chilling. You mind?
Been pursuing money.
Money. Hey, Parker, you being a good boy? That is. Parker's starting to chill out. Dun, 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 dun. And Belle, she's giving up too. I know it's smelling pretty good. Parker's just chilling. Maybe Mommy will drop something. Maybe if I sit here and wait patiently, good things will come. Right?
Always hoping, always hoping. How's your car doing?
Huh?
How's your car?
It's doing well. Parker, you crazy dog. What are you doing, Parker? You crazy dog. Playing ball with myself. If I had the chance, I would ask him, want to play ball. Playing ball with myself. Oh my goodness. Meanwhile, oh, Belle's saying, feed me, Mommy, feed me. Oh. Oh, nom 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 nom. Oh, Parker, you are a riot. You are a riot. Yes, you are. Hey, Belle, are you being nasty towards Parker? Yeah, 'cause someone's got food and I don't know. Yes. Belle. Parker says I'm playing with myself. Who's a better playmate than me? Nobody! So Nicholas is the house of love. Alright guys, this is Trish signing off from the Nicholas's House of Love. Peace, love, and keep the good tunes spinning. I'll talk to you soon. Take care. Look at that, guys. I just spotted this. We may be having an awesome moon tonight. Yeah. Right, guys, I gotta get home and take out the garbage, do the laundry, and that's it for me. Oh, oh, peace.